Hi guys, I just received my FabFitFun for the summer 2019, and this is what the box looks like. It's a very nice box, and on the side here it says Global Gift Foundation, and it says Eva Longoria Foundation. It says support. And yeah, I want to show you the magazine that came in there. And this is the magazine, and it says on top, this summer 2019 FabFitFun, and it has exclusive Eva Longoria, who she calls her superhero. And I'm just going to show you the inside. I just want to show you like just some of the stuff that came in there. You get to pick the items, like 2 of the items that you want. And yeah, these are some of the items. And yeah, this is what that is. And then on the next page, they have the rest. So again, this is what it looks like in the front. And I'm gonna like read off what I had got and just show you items and what the prices are. Now the first item that I'm gonna show you is this tote bag that I got. And I'm gonna show you it like sideways, like folded, so you'll know that this is what it is. Yeah, this is what I got. This tote. And the price of this tote is, they're saying the tote is $50. So this is what this looks like. It's pretty big. So yeah, that's one of the items. So I'm gonna put it to the side here so you could just see the box. Then the next item that I received is called Generation Clay, and it says ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask, and this is for the face. Yeah. Then the next item is called Whoosh, and it says coconut milk and Venberg, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but, and it says exfoliating foot mask soothes and softens intense hydration. And it also is, it says here at the bottom, cruelty free. And I took the item out, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. And this is the item. And it says it polishes. It has pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit extract, lemon fruit extract, and it has some other stuff, black tea leaf extract. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Then the next item that I got is Cooler, and it says FPF, and then it has here FPS, and it's a makeup setting spray. and it says 70% organic ingredients. And I have also taken this out of the box, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And it's a setting spray. Then the next item that I got is called silicone glass and wine glasses, and it says what a pair. And yeah, a set of 2, and I'm going to show you what they look like. This is what they look like. Very nice, and it's in the color that I like, in pink, so it's really pretty. And that is this. Then the next item that I received is this. It's a towel. It's a beach towel, and it's shaped like a flower. And this costs, hold on, let me just see how much this costs. 1B, and it costs $50, this towel. And this is what it looks like. I just want to, I'm not going to pull it out of the thing, but it looks like this. It's a pretty towel. Then, let me just tell you how much those wine glasses are. Those silicone wine glasses are $25. And the cooler, it is, it's hard to read this, but hold on a minute. It is 5B, that's $36. This is $36. And this is that's what it says. It's that. And the whoosh is, this is 32. And this, the clay, Generation Clay, is, they're saying it is $39. So that's how much that costs. And then I got this, and it says Grace and Stella. It's not open because it's still sealed, and it says spray all day, rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray, and this costs $25.95. So this is what this is. This is a spray. So I got quite a bit for that price. I paid $49. And then I got this Living Proof, and it says Nourishing Styling Cream, Stop Frizz, Light Conditioner. Oh, it's out of focus here. And that's what it is. It says Styling Cream, Living Proof. So that, and then I also got these, the last thing I got is called Invisible Bob, and it says Traceless Hair Rings Original, and those are, it comes with 6 of them in there, $16. And I think, I don't know if I said the spray, the Grace and Stella spray is, yeah, it said that it's $25. So that is for that. And the living proof is, this is $28. So yeah, these are all the things that I received in my box. And they also gave me one of these HelloFresh, which I always tend to get, like when I had received this like 2 other times. This is what I got, and it's it says $80 gift card. And that's that. And they also, they put in here family, friends, son, and it says C, and FabFitFun, and it says you deserve some summer fun, and it says pass this on to your friends, to a friend who would love FabFitFun, and you get like a percentage off. So yeah, so these are all the items that I got in my FabFitFun box for the summer of 2019. And yeah, I just want to thank you for watching. And yeah, this costs $49, I think $49.95 I paid for this. But if you're new, you just getting it for the first time, I think they take $10 off. So yeah, I just want to thank you again for watching, like I said. And please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.